Hey Parrot Nation. Welcome back to the channel. It's your girl Toyin-Parrot.
Today, we're exploring futuristic fire from OpenAI. Yes, you heard right. ChatGPT just got a shopping superpower, and it's about to change the game. OpenAI is rolling out an update that lets you search for products, compare prices, and get smart recommendations all without opening a single tab. New viewers, please subscribe to get started. Returning viewers, thank you for your support. Now, straight to today's hot news. I'm talking next level, browsing right inside ChatGPT. Think Amazon meets a super intelligent assistant that already knows what you're looking for. If you're tired of switching between apps, endlessly scrolling, or making late-night impulse purchases without any guidance, this update could be a game changer for you. It could save you both time and money. Stick around because I'm going to show you exactly how it works, what you can do with it, and how you can start using this today. Let's go. So here's the update. OpenAI has added shopping capabilities directly into ChatGPT 4 Plus users. That means when you ask about the best phone under $500 or need a last-minute gift idea, ChatGPT gives you real product options, pulled from live data across the web. Let's say I type in, "Find me a pair of black sneakers under $100. In seconds, ChatGPT shows results with photos, prices, brand names, even reviews, all in a clean, easy-to-scan layout. You can ask follow-up questions, get comparisons, and refine your search all without typing in a new website. You're probably pondering, how does ChatGPT acquire this information? Well, the answer lies in the fact that it is powered by a myriad of third data tools and plugins that facilitate the gathering of live product listings. This essentially implies that you're not only provided with static information but also have access to real-time options, much like you would experience on platforms like Amazon or Google. Alternatively, you can use any other such platforms. This tool is not solely designed for clothes or electronics. It can be utilized for presents on birthdays, office equipment, kitchen essentials, and even entire shopping lists for various events. In essence, it serves as your personal shopping assistant, always ready and available at your service. And it begins to learn your preferred style as you consistently use it. An informative catch-up: this innovative feature is still in the development phase, and at this point, it is exclusively available for ChatGPT Plus users. Moreover, even though it is intelligent, it is essential to perform a second check on the pricing details and customer reviews on the official internet websites. Treat it as a useful starting point, but maintain good habits by also checking the details on the official platforms. So there you have it. OpenAI is turning into the ultimate shopping buddy for you that you didn't even know you were missing. Whether you're a tech-savvy individual or simply tired of digging through a multitude of tabs, this incredible tool is about to make your life much simpler. If you're someone who loves getting AI tips and up-to-date tech news, make sure you pay attention, subscribe to our channel, and don't forget to tap that bell icon frequently. The second major update that I have to share with you tonight is something that is indeed a game changer for my tech-oriented creators who are striving to generate more income online through their talents. Therefore, make sure you persistently remain until the end, because this essential information will undoubtedly transform your life into one of great importance. Are you an artist, designer, or even just curious about making money online? In this video, I'm going to show you exactly how creators are making real money by selling AI-generated art on RedBubble in 2025. Even if you're not an artist, stay till the end to learn the best tools, keywords, and strategies to turn your AI images into real income. RedBubble is a global print-on-demand marketplace Artists upload designs and RedBubble prints them on products like clothing, posters, phone cases, and more. Every time someone buys your design, you earn a commission. But here's the game changer with tools like DALL-E and Leonardo AI. Anyone can now create stunning artwork in minutes without traditional drawing skills. You can't just upload random designs and expect them to sell. Success on RedBubble starts with finding profitable niches, themes, or topics people are actively searching for. Use tools like Insight Factory shows trending RedBubble products and keywords. Bubble Trends breaks down demand by category, showing what's hot. For example, if you search Kawaii Ghost Cat and see it trending with low competition, that's a gold mine. AI can easily generate 5 to 10 variations of it in an hour. After finding your niche, focus on creating artwork. Use platforms like DALL-E3, Leonardo, or ArtSmart AI provide high-quality prompts with your keywords. Download the artwork in high resolution using upscaling tools like Magnific AI or Upsampler.com. Experiment with different styles, like watercolor, cutting surreal, and vaporwave to determine what sells best in your niche. When you upload your image, remember, that's just the beginning. To get noticed, you must have the right titles, tags, and descriptions. Use specific keywords in the title, like retro vaporwave tiger poster. Include 15 to 20 relevant tags, such as 80s aesthetic, neon jungle, synthwave. Write a description that naturally incorporates long-tail keywords. Platforms like Trending AI Wall Art offer optimized prompts and trending niches weekly, simplifying the process. In conclusion, AI art is transforming and RedBubble is a great platform to begin. If you found this useful, like, subscribe, and comment if you'd like a tutorial on any tool we discussed. Check the description for links to trending AI wall art and free AI art prompt templates to start today. If you are seeking alternatives to RedBubble with improved pricing control, higher profits, or more customizable products, we have you covered. We trust you have enough information to begin your journey today. Remember to watch our latest video on it that feel like magic in 2025. Thank you for watching and see you in the next one.